And how about as an opening to this tool video, wouldn't it be fitting if I was at the Snap-on headquarters in Kenosha, Wisconsin? Well, there you go, here I am on location. Only because I like you guys. Alright, been tool binging on the Snap-on truck again. Let's see what I got this time. Actually, I shot some footage inside the truck, so I'll go ahead and put that in the video right now. Pretty nice box right here.
That black on black?
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's new. I don't know if you saw that one. I bought a 3-pack.
Of those boxes?
Yep. I got a green one. And
I like green.
do you? Any one of them I can let go without a trade. Bare bottom right at 16. About $2 grand.
1600?
Yep.
We're with Jason Fry, and we are talking about wrenches, and this is just a small selection of hundreds of Snap-on wrenches.
Yeah, that's right. This just represents a small piece of the pie for the wrench category. You know, of course, these are 100% USA made in Wisconsin, Tennessee. With
I think you can like make a frame. But I will look for stickers.
Yeah, the big dog likes stickers. Give me some stickers. Well, hope you enjoyed that little look inside the truck. Now, let's see what I got. Alright, up first, we got some long needle nose pliers. And what's the model number? 911 Alpha Charlie Fox. And of course, you know, these are made in USA. Pretty much all the hand tools from Snap-on are made in USA. I like the red handles, so all my hand tools, pliers from Snap-on are red. And these are just your nice standard long needle nose pliers. You can see it's got the cross hatch on the end there, and the teeth are just perfect when you look at that. Very well made. And compared to its little brother, this is the 97 Alpha Charlie Fox. You can see pretty much the same head on it, just longer handles. And if we compare it to a cheapo model, you can see, you know, how much thinner this design is, so it flexes a lot more when you're really trying to grab something tight, something that's thin and you're really trying to pinch it. And then, you know, you can just see the quality of the teeth on the end there. Well, I hope you can see it on the video. These don't have like a cross hatch, these are just cut straight across. And then, you know, when you look at it, you can tell that there's a little gap in there. Where these, I mean, those shut flush. So, but you paid for the quality, but it's definitely a better product. And I keep bugging my Snap-on guy for stickers, and he doesn't have any. So he just gave me this, and it's a bunch of magnets. It's a sheet of magnets. So all these pop out individually. I can take them out. I don't know how many magnets are, but quite a few. So, well, actually, he didn't give it to me free. He charged me 1 cent. So, anyway, now I can put some magnets around instead of stickers. So, I guess it's the next best thing. But hey, for free, I can't complain. And the big purchase of the day is going to be the 10-piece metric flank drive plus combination wrench set. And you can see this is a buy one, get one. So, when you buy this set, on the special, you also get the 7-piece metric midget combination wrench set, and a little roll bag. So, part number Sierra Oscar Echo X-Ray Mike 710. It looks like a Oscar X-Ray India. So, right, let's get this bad boy open. You can see it comes in. Well, this is how it would be if you just bought the regular without the buy one get one. But it comes in Snap-on's little plastic tray here. Let me get all this crap out of the way. And we get our little Made in USA roll bag with the mini wrenches. And so you can see these are the standard length, but Snap-on always makes them longer. And you can see the Flank Drive Plus in there, right on the teeth. And if you've ever used anything like this, you'll know they work well. And this set goes from 10 all the way to 19. So there, that's a little more pronounced on the teeth right there. If you can see the Flank Drive Plus. It doesn't skip any sizes, so you get every size 10 to 19, which is kind of nice. And of course, you know, they're Snap-on, they're made in the USA. And what else do we get? We get this cool little bag, and we get the little brother to this. These tiny little metric wrenches, 4, 5, 5.5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. These are just your run-of-the-mill. They don't have the little flank drive in there, but they're just little tiny wrenches. But these, if you notice, they're actually 6-point. They're not 12-point. When you go this small, it's hard to make a 12-point little wrench there, and you can easily strip out the fastener you're trying to get off. So that's nice to have. And obviously these are also made in USA. They're stamped USA. And it appears that the bag is made in USA too. Alright, we can look at them compared to some other wrenches. I got some 13 millimeters here. This one's from Craftsman. So you can see the difference in length. Let's see, I believe the offset is the same. Yeah, I believe that should be like 15 degrees. And then, yeah, Craftsman, they like to stamp the head, which is kind of nice, but other than that, you know, the biggest thing is the length. That, you know, the extra length definitely helps you out. And then the flank drive is the best, where these, you know, they're not gonna grab. These are gonna round off fasteners. And we got up next a Tecton. And you can see the length difference on that. And the Tecton, it has a nice chrome finish, and it's, you know, obviously stamped. These are not made in USA. I want to say these are made in Taiwan, if I remember correctly. They also do not have a flank drive, and you can see, I don't remember what I used it on, but I already dinged up this wrench, chipped the chrome a little bit. But yeah, you know, Tecton, that's an inexpensive wrench, not very expensive. And then compared to a gear wrench, you can see gear wrench, it looks like, you know, they pretty much tried to make it exactly the same, or very, very close. You can see that this portion right here is a little bit shorter than the Snap-on. So the Snap-on, this head comes up a little bit more. It's going to grab more of the fastener. But other than that, you know, they're very close to the same length. And then gear wrench, they do try to have a little bit of their, I can't remember what their flank drive type is called right there, but it's very, very minute. There's not much there, not compared to the Snap-on, where they have a lot in there on both sides. And of course, these are not made in the US either. I believe these are also Taiwan. And I got an older version of the Snap-on ratcheting wrenches, just to give you an idea in comparison. And you can see that these are a little bit longer. And then these have an older version of the flank drive. This is not the flank drive plus. This is just the flank drive itself. But very close. Obviously, you know, with a ratcheting, it's going to be a little bit bigger in the head there. But just to give you an idea, in case you wanted to see it next to one of these. Alright, as a little bit of a bonus, we got a Trusty Cook hammer here, brand new. This is the model TC47BP. This is a 47 ounce ball peen Deadblow hammer, and made in USA. And I mean, these are excellent hammers. If you ever used a Trusty Cook, you know they're a very good hammer. Especially these ball peen Deadblow hammers, if I could say it right. Let's see here. And compared to the 36 ounce, its little brother, you can see the difference there. So you can definitely tell that this one's heavier than the little guy. But yeah, these come in handy for, you know, knocking suspension parts apart, that's for sure. And if I remember correctly, Trusty Cook used to make Snap-on's hammers, and then Snap-on decided to go out on their own and make their own. So in any event, I believe all the older ones were made by Trusty Cook, but can't go wrong with one of these hammers. They work really well. Well, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this little Snap-on tool haul. And as always, if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.